a week ago, on Friday, the other Friday, we had an agreement. The only thing we didn't agree on is the issue of the medical cover. Now, that was on Friday. On Monday, because these people are fighting, they have infighting. It's the board fighting, it's the members of assembly fighting, it's the executive fighting. They couldn't agree on what we had agreed on. It's like the executive comes to negotiate with us, but they don't have the power. They don't have the power even to make sure that whatever we agree on can be seen to fruition.
The same county has the audacity to write us a letter that if we don't go back to work, we are going to be in contempt. And it is the same county which has been in contempt since April 2024.
Sure.
And even 2025, when we went on strike, they are ordered. We signed the return to work formula. They are meant to implement it. They have not implemented it. We went to court. They are actually in contempt. But they have the courage to write to us as doctors that we are going to be in contempt if we don't go back to work.
Shame.
But we decided that we're not going to follow their route of disobeying the law. We decided to be the law-abiding citizens, and we go back to work.